Meantime, the countdown is on with just over 6 weeks to go until Prince Harry and Meghan Markle walk down the aisle in Windsor. It takes a lot to put on a royal wedding, but CTVNews.ca is going to keep you up to date on all of it with a special newsletter. The Royal Dispatch delivers all the latest news and features straight to your inbox every Sunday. Joining us with a preview is CTVNews.ca writer Josh Elliott. Hi there, Josh.
Hi.
So what are people getting with the newsletter every week?
They're getting all the latest on the Royals, and there is a lot on the Royals right now. We're heading into a very busy time for them. You know, the Prince is in hospital. That's one thing right now, but looking ahead, you've got the Queen's 92nd birthday coming up, and after that, you're getting the birth of another royal baby from Prince William and Kate. So that's a big April. And then, of course, we have the big day in May, and everything is kind of building up towards that. So we've got all the little details building up to that.
So tell us about the special features of the Royal Dispatch.
Well, it's got all the little details and all the speculation and rumors that you're really into if you're a big Royals watcher, but it's also got some in-depth features that really break it down. So, you can see our newsletter here. There's a lot of little tidbits that you can peruse, and if you've got some more time on your hands, you can click in and take a look at some of the big features we have too. We have the Royal Wedding Procession, which is a fantastic feature. It takes a look at the map and shows where the couple are going to go through for their wedding. And there's a lot that goes into that. It's a beautiful city and so much tradition that informs it as well. So we also get into that tradition. We have many of the royal traditions that go into every wedding. We've got to look at the carriages that they use at the wedding and which one they'll probably use for each member of the wedding party. And we also get into some of the other details that we don't know as much about, like Meghan Markle's history. And we know that she was on Suits, and that's always very, very popular. But before that, she was on Deal or No Deal. She was the suitcase model, and that's one of the fun details that we have in our profile of her. So that's just a sneak peek of what you're going to see.
Because people want to know every single detail, Josh.
Yes, there's so much. If you've ever planned a wedding, a lot goes into that. But if you combine that with all the tradition of the royal family, there's so much more to get into. And we get into all of that, whether it's invitations, flowers, or just outfits, like everything. We've got all of it.
Okay, so we have to sign up to get this.
That's right, CTVNews.ca/royals.
I'm signing up. Thank you. Josh Elliott with CTVNews.ca, and you can sign up for the Royal Dispatch by visiting CTVNews.ca/royals.